Put some gas in the car and the boat. See how much gas it's gonna take. Let's see what it's a regular. A regular day. Didn't need much, which is good. $4.
Like you said, it's either gonna be finessey, top water, moving, cranking.
Huh?
That was payback for not putting on the fucking popper.
Hey, dude. All I heard was, yeah.
Biggin, yo. Biggin. I haven't seen it, but it's definitely a fucking keeper. He got payback for not putting on the fucking popper, yo.
He got a small mouth, but dude, he smacked it. Ain't no better feeling than that. Hold on, let me put some water in there. Hold on. Here. Oh. Do we got it? I just got bit, dude. Yeah, he on there. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. He good, he good. He good. Yeah, I got tangled up and everything. You think he gonna keep?
I don't know what,
Is it 14? No, he's too small.
I don't know what the,
He's way too little. Yeah, he's way too little. I think it's 14. I seen that coming. Yeah, nah, he too little. Damn. Here real quick. Behind us and then get up out of here. Oh, whatever just hit you just hit me. Hope it's a big one. It's probably small, dude. It feels little. No, maybe. Oh yeah, that might keep, huh? That might keep. That might be 14. God damn. You gotta go. Nah, he look a little short, huh?
I still think there's gonna be. I mean, there's a fish though. It's just telling us. I mean, I think if we could point, that's again on the point. I mean, I don't think that's the fish that fucking blew up out there. But it could have been.
What you think? Oh, yeah, that's 14. Yeah, he 14. He ain't gonna do shit for us, but hey.
Once you get 5 of them joints, you fishing a little bit different though.
You know what I'm saying? No worries.
I'd rather have that joint.
Coming down. I think they own that shit. Oh, I got hit. Is he on there? Yeah, he on there. He running too. Dink. Hey.
So you got. There's no way that you're not gonna run into a better fish with that joint.
They is sucking this jig down.
I don't think that fish again hit in front of that grass. That nigga jumped out.
Bro, get him. Bro, that might be 5 pounds.
He ain't 5, I think he's 4.
Ooh, shit. We got too much water in there, bro. Huh. Put your bag on there or something. See. That was almost bad. Hey, we would have been going home, bro. Sick as a dog, bro.
I have never had that ever.
I think I told you that before. One time we was doing something, he's like, they're not gonna jump out. I said, boy, you don't know these red fish. These bitches will get the fuck on. Oh, this. We're gonna get this fluke one more try on this little stretch right here. But we're gonna change the fluke up. Ooh.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm still in shock. I can't believe he did that. I've never, like you said, I mean, you said you have.
What?
I ain't never seen. Or, okay, I lied. Where were we at when the snakehead jumped out of somebody's boat? I think Amir let somebody's snakehead. Remember we were here in the tournament? And, like, I think somebody wanted to show somebody a snakehead, and Amir, like, let that joint jump out the boat. And it jumped right back into the res. That's the only other time, but that's a snake, so I would imagine him. I've never seen guys do that.
Put this down.
Open that joint
We're gonna try this real quick and then we gonna slide. What color look juicy? This look a little juicy right here. With that fat ass tail. With them yams on it.
Definitely the jig, I think.
Jig, top water.
I can't really even say that. I feel like all I doing was one fish on it, but I ain't got touched on it since.
That's how it be though. It's the res, boy. I don't know. It's a lot of trees down there, so. And so you know, so you can bring it up kind of. Oh, got one. Woo.
He's running.
Is he? Hey, stop playing with that fluke. I ain't even real, bro. Yeah, it's too many fish over here, brother. To either not hit this place later or this shit's out of control.
Well, the big ones are, obviously, like you said, the bank might not be the move. There's obviously active fish on that joint, but they're just not the
Fish tank?
I would put his ass in the fish tank. That would be tight. We need to feed his ass to the own. YouTube?
Fucking, he's a pro angler.
Mikey Ball?
Not Mikey. Fuck the,
Morgan?
no, the white dude, man. He's fucking funny as fuck. He be saying country shit. He was like, hey, I'll throw a fluke in fucking 40 foot of water. Yeah, I gotta wait goddamn 2 minutes to goddamn get it to the bottom, but hey, the fish ain't never seen it before, and they just fucking go ham. Well, these fish are firing off too. They ain't even like hitting like regular. Oh, then. Hold on, come here, just bring him in there. Keeper.
You sure should have been wild.
That's like 2.5 pounder. We'll take him. Which one?
That one.
Yeah, you want to go back down that one? I'm not seeing much over here. Yeah, I feel like we gon' ain't no head now. It's a big old 3-pounder. I'm catching trees today. Damn, that's a good line though. You said, dog, ain't no thing. Come on, bro. I do not want to touch that shit. No, I don't want to fucking touch that nasty ass shit. Hell, I got it. Whew. Yeah, let's go hit back over here on this side, man. I think this side might be a little bit better. This side might be a little bit better.
Yeah.
Who got one? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Fucking A.
We just need, what, 3 more?
Yeah. He hitting it again. Dude, he's tugging on it. Oh my goodness, that was a good hit. Yeah. Oh my God. Let's try one more time. Fuck. Look, he done got my ass tooted all up. Throw over there. Throw right there. Yeah, right in the alleyway. See if you can get him.
Here?
To the left a little bit, but same thing. Same area. You got him? I told you. I think it's more than that over there, though, bro. I'm not just getting hit like once.
Did you see him? No, he was skinny as fuck. Did you see him fling out of the water? He definitely smacked that shit, though.